This piece is called White Tulip. It's quite different because what I wanted to do was to have fun and scatter the motif of tulip all over. For this one, I want to create something more abstracted and not so well organized. It does have kind of a whimsical quality that I wanted to capture. Additionally, I also use those tiny dotted lines. I don't know, it may be a little hard to see, but if you look very carefully, you can see those tiny dotted lines going through the whole pattern. And this is my way of bringing in this Japanese tradition of sashiko, which is a type of traditional Japanese embroidery or stitching, and usually it was meant for decoration, but also to reinforce the cloth so that, you know, I think traditionally maybe farmers or workers would use sashiko and have all these stitches so that the layers of used cloth would have another life.